On August 17th, lightning ignited the South Sugarloaf Fire. Dry conditions, heavy fuels, and severe weather conditions caused the fire to grow to over 230,000 acres before being contained. Long after the threat of flames, the burn area can continue to pose threats.
We're doing assessment on Forest Service property, and we're looking mainly at threats to the Forest Service, and then if we see threats that are leaving the forest, we advise those neighboring agencies and entities of what we're seeing so that they can address it appropriately.
Robin WIGNALL is the lead on a burned area emergency response team, or BAER. The objective of BAER is to determine the need for and to prescribe and implement emergency treatment to minimize threats to life or property, or to stabilize and prevent unacceptable degradation of natural and cultural resources resulting from the effects of a fire.
Today we're going to be doing some post-fire assessments on some burned areas on the South Sugarloaf Fire to look at possibly erosion and hydrophobicity issues with the slopes there.
Jim Hurria, team soil scientist, explains how change in soil chemistry and loss of vegetation exposes the soil to erosion. Runoff may increase and cause flash flooding. Sediments may move downstream, damaging structures and threatening people, wildlife habitat, archaeological sites, and water supplies.
Some of this you can see it's nearly completely gone right now. Depending on the severity of the fire, a lot of it will come back on its own. The plant communities generally are resilient. They've evolved around fire, so they know what it is, but sometimes it can be just too severe for them, and that's where we kind of, if possible, need to come in and help facilitate that regrowth.
BAER emergency treatments can help protect infrastructures and watersheds from accelerated erosion and can improve drainage features along roads and trails. Other treatments could include temporary controlled public access in certain areas to prevent unnecessary safety risks, installation of safety and informational signage within or near the fire area, hazard tree and rock slide detection and removal along trails and roads, and noxious weed treatments within the burned areas. The BAER program will address the high-risk areas on the fire. Later, the district will assess the need to complete additional resource protection projects or repairs to roads, trails, and other infrastructure in the South Sugarloaf area that cannot be addressed through the BAER program.
Even though the fire is out, the emergency still exists.